5 lazy chairs you can get from Amazon. Number 1. Hollyhome Large Fabric Lazy Chair for Living Room. Cozy accent reading chair with armrests. Comfy lounge sofa chair for bedroom, dorm, and small spaces. Number 2. Sofa Sack Bean Bag Chair Cover. Only for adults and kids without filling. Comfy fluffy round or oval beanbag chair cover. Replacement, lazy sofa cover for reading chair or floor chair, 6 feet black. Number 3. Giant beanbag chair for adults indoor chaise lounge with neck pillow and ottoman, all-in-one sponge design. Comfy floor chair for reading, gaming, napping, and movies, slate gray. Number 4. Zero Gravity Massage Chair. Full body recliner with heating, Bluetooth speaker, airbags, touch screen, phone stand, foot roller, black. Number 5. Hobslick 3-in-1 Beanbag Chair. Giant beanbag chairs. Convertible beanbag floor cushion with machine washable cover. Beanbag chairs for adult gray. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description.